happy with this one. Young couples marriage is sweet. It make other young youths envious, and they will want to take a bold step and experience it. But now use marriage tire person. What is all this? What is all this? What a disgrace to those families that sat and was eating that day, happy, shouting, yelling, telling people their children have just got married. And I know the kind of disgrace. Marriage never reach a month and 2 weeks. They'll come go, they tell them, now say, now fight, now come they fight, they disgrace on herself for social media. Mama Nora, I don't care if you come and come insult me. Because insult is no longer new to me because it's your character. We will be single mothers today. We not do what you do so to be single mother. So don't think say, everybody in a single mother they there. If worse come to worse, there will be single mother. Because the last time I check, I said this marriage, you force yourself put. You are not capable to be a married woman. And believe me, if you lose enogie, no man, nothing say you too much. No man will carry you with this your character. You don't get character. You don't get character, this woman. Waiting. If you not say now Facebook, social media, now be your family member's house. Why did you allow people to? Why you not call social media? Say make they go give them your diary last time I check. What is all this nonsense? You talk so much. You lack courtesy as a woman. If person not go school, you know the craze. God save when I say that to our house when I day so. Na immigrants, I mean Auslanders, foreigners that did that house. They scream my head this morning on the videos people are sending to me on my WhatsApp message. If you do it for this my house when me day so, in less than 1 minute, police will be there. And believe me, you don't love your children. If you love your children, and once police they come, the way I see these children, they scream for the background. Your children, that will be the last time you will see your children with your eyes. And the next time you will set your eyes on them again, it go fair past 1 year. What is all this nonsense for? What is all this nonsense as a mother? Oh God, help me, man, not to talk. God, help me. I did vex. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Tomorrow now, you know your social media people. They'll say, Sia, now make be their mama. When you know I've spoken to you indoors severally from the day your diary was paid. Why are you like this woman? Which home is perfect and don't get faced so much domestic violence from you? So much that we are not posting online. But you come and you'll be advising people. Why are you like this, Mama Nora? Why did you tell this boy that you're not ready to get married, that you want to live a life of a single mother? Which you know you yourself cannot stand it with these 4 kids. I've been in your home in the night, middle of the night, you will be sleeping. This boy will be cleaning everywhere. Now you know can start to not get paper for euro. Why are you like this? Person go talk to you, your man not the rich person, you don't get single character. You don't get character. I could not sleep. Cause me call enogie. How can I call enogie? I said I'm not calling and I didn't call. Because this is a shameful thing. If you even respect your children or you respect your family, you're not supposed to let you hear. Yes, yeah. I'm wearing your to now. They pay money for my head. Why are you like this? Why are you bringing disgrace to everyone around you? There are mothers of high intellectual that are supporting you guys, giving you all you want, supporting your husband, not even you. How would they feel invested their hard-earned money on a nuisance like you. My hand is shake. I didn't nervous. Where's me when I want to talk, but I know if you talking. This boy, even though say enogie, he's not the worst of all men. There are men that are worse than enogie. Man go talk one word, you go talk 10. He go insult you once, you go insult him 20. What do you feel like? You easy like why you don't see man will marry you for Italy before enogie carry you enter Germany? Now it's obvious what the people are saying on social media. I have no other thinking now. I don't think any other thing than to believe what that they talk. Say you they born for business, not be for love. Did you know how those children will be traumatized? You screaming. The video, they don't send that for me. I dey shame. And when I calculate the hours when they take post that thing, maybe that thing happen. I don't know when. Maybe I don't know the time, but definitely not in the evening. When children supposed to they bed. Mama Nora, what is the color of your problem? You don't love this guy. Either you are with him for your sexual urge, or you are with him just to manufacture babies and then become a single mother and be collecting benefits. And let me tell you, this is Germany. I make her no go pay me. Because that house, apart from you bearing children, most of the house chores there, enogie is the one doing it. I wish you yourself know say you can't stand it with 4 kids. Sandra Sand, okay. They are not compatible at all. My phone full. Let me play some. This is not, it's not friendly to the ears. Who you want to impress on social media? Who cares about you? You just show the kind of person you are. And every normal human being, every normal woman out there, we always pray against a woman like you to happen to any of their brothers. Me, number one. You know, how dare you? You and enogie go they quarrel, you go trauma to your mama. If you know they respect you, does that mean you not go respect another person? And you know that that boy love his mom so much. If that woman go last, now because of him picking enogie. If anything happens to enogie today, which you are planning, because this will not be, I mean, there's no love. You only want to give that boy problem. If anything happens to that boy today, you know that it will affect his mother at home. Definitely, you want to put 2 people in pains. What will be your problem? The day they put money for your head, now carry my 2 legs down. I advise you with my little experience. I not marry, not me say I know I decrease. I say I beg. Now don't be one. Now one rope now the draw. I say I beg. From today, I beg. No house way perfect. I milk be an echere. Forget it with they say that man not be and this one not be. I milk be an echere. Men, we were created from the ribs of men. We need to honor them, no matter how small they are. Am I aware? Now people marry men when no reach half of enogie. They see they call their daddy for social media with the same. When now I'm no zogo, intelligent young guy like that, vibrant young guy. We carry you put for us. You say life don't end. You won't just frustrate that boy. Don't you know that men also go into depression? Men also face domestic violence. And a boy nyas one number express if he start thinking and he cannot express it based on who he is on social media. And you start getting depressed, what will be your benefit? Before enogie came into your life, did you dated a man like enogie? Enough. Person go they advise you. The one way you go do go be worst. And enogie, in as much as I love you, let me tell you one thing. Never you raise a hand on a woman. You did very, 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 very wrong. Why you know waka comot? Enogie, if that marriage you not get peace, me Precious make they tell you now, walk out of that place for your mental health. Walk out of that place. Give Mama Nora 3 months. May only she take care of that children. Go find where stay. May we see how she go take they capable. May we Jesus help me, might not talk. What is all this? Only every time you know they get shame. Upon no waiting that they talk follow for social media. You know they get shame. Which can you want baby? This one we don't get shame. Atom of shame, not there your eye, Mama Nora. People don't they cut your videos now, they clap and follow you. You they rain. And you know those videos can be used against you as long as Germany is concerned. If Social happen to see this video you did yesterday, my dear, sorry will be your name. Sorry will be your name. Yesterday when Omopic TV called me, the way that woman, I just the entire, the way that woman called me in the afternoon, I said, wait, and go meet enogie, Mama, go meet enogie. I said, what is happening? No, you won't go give me high blood pressure because of that matter. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will never. Sandra, let me talk, please. Let me talk. Just give me a few minutes. I know what I'm saying. Enough is enough. Because I mean, no, how they use cause they disturb me. Let me just talk, please. Now you marry, if you social media president on a menata, when you even take as your godfather there. The one where you yourself, Mama Nora, take as godmother there with you because you say a partner no get godfather, so can your godmother. You guys cannot even respect them. Or even when they wake up in the morning, you begin to disturb their sleep for nights. How dare you? Does Germany looks like Nigeria? I'm very sure by now we don't wake up now and start today's journey now by going to work. You are still in the bed, sleeping after you have disturbed everyone's sleep at night. Obako Gunwe. Come out, come insult me. Me. I will not even answer you because your character they smell. Better women with better character, they are single outside. Yeah, mami no muya la wama wugwe. Wama went to when we need God for no get to marry you. Oh, better you there. I hate nonsense. I will not me. I don't go ever call on a line again. I can't be in Nora. This is not get shame. See calls on my phone before they break. See calls. See missed calls. Just make butter. Happy Sunday. How is the children? How is the family? Yeah, to level in the night. I beg, ik ben de mensen die geen nog zien. Why be say I don't know that I was say do enogie and Mama Nora. I don't know. Very soon I go even block them for. No, not block them. Now because they know they work, that they see free money they use, not make that they create on a daily basis. They will just carry their matter call social media. If they never disgrace themselves finish, they no go their temperature no go cool down. This is very bad. It's very, very bad. Eh? It's very bad, eh? Mama Nora. Nathan was 7 months when I come over for Papa's. Now so I can start school, start work. Get yourself busy. You are constituting nuisance. It's very bad now. Eh? I know they like all this kind of thing. I know they want me at the association. It's too much. With negative things. I don't follow these people talk for inside fire.
I don't know them before. Now for this year, I just like them. I take them like now. They always they call them. I encourage them. They advance them. And no, Enzo, the one they are boys on now. Both boyfriend and girlfriend. Not only say no, they quarrel. No, they come out for social media. Another one they let me my own problem. Then they vex me for saying the own matter. Anyone lads, every
one.
Tomorrow they go say which can't see all this one? I bet me you see the chance of the thought of them if they go here. Because they go one way, I'm highly disappointed there. Two of them don't hear what I thought. Man that cannot carry heads come down. Make it tolerate, make it.
No, she don't born finish now. So she don't want the man again. She don't already born finish. Now make her they do like that. She don't born finish. She want to live a life of a single mother. God.
I just one you know say una like one another women so. Oh, sorry for disturbing you.
Well, I already cut my sleep now. I slept again around 3. I slept again around 3. And look at when I open and I look at how weak my eyes are. Because of Una. You now, you still they snore for bed. You always wake up 10, 11 o'clock in the morning.
Make mistake. When I have few when you were born, I tell you, Mama, and then when you look at it, instead of raising hands.
The no game was wrong on that.
The moment I get document, they don't give me a problem. Just now, a pa, the muffin, you never. Yana been again. Go see fight. Mama, no, I won't make it no get go prison. Don't get saying go buy and make it for go in prison. Make peace reign.
Yeah, I mean, no, you no go reach like that. God no go agree. Because now Mama is not going to go suffer the consequences.
I don't think anybody will be interfering in their matter any longer.
No, yeah, no talk. I can't go come and I get character. What's a man? I'm not doing Mama Nora go talk if I go interfere. So I'm not interfering.
It's for better and for worse.
No, they talk of their matter again.
I too sabi. He don't collect beating for free.
With all due respect, though I'm not supposed to mention this guy name. Not be this social media on arrival for marry, reach there for you. Una don't hear say na so with his wife. The fights come out for social media. Person one that they call say no get sense. He marry. They use marry the pepper people for social media. Una we get sense. We be young couple. Una marry. Why yeah, why you bossing ring? A disgrace upon disgrace. If you see come out now, you guys are always hurting people's emotions. People that love you guys. Oh, now they say now picking when no get sense for social media. He marry, good or bad. Even though say na Christmas, but in marriage they make marriage they hungry people for social media. See una no use that one get sense. Una no use that one take get sense. No, if una don't see fight finish, now after all, una get people where go see some money, una take flex. Now, like say nothing happen. I'm so disappointed. I'm so pissed off this morning.
You know, say una like one another women so.
Exactly.
For disturbing you. Mama Nora stubbornness is too much.
Everybody don't know her character. No, they hear. Maybe not cake bear, she know they hear.
Don't let listen and sister no get for make mistake. When I have few when you but when I bear, I tell you man, the rain no give it to her man. Instead of raising hand. The mama no get document, no give me now a problem. Okay, just now.
Mama no her paper not be strong paper. Mama no not fit give a no give paper. Now father shaft now no go take get paper.
Go see fight. Mama no that won't make it no get go prison. No get saying go buy and make it for go in prison. Make peace reign. I'm highly disappointed though, understand, because as it is now, I don't think anybody will be interfering in their matter any longer, because this one no 1 year, the other one no 1 year. They don't want contact, no, marriage.
Guys, follow this page, like, love and like.
It's for better and for worse. On a I too know, I too sabi.
And you don't know anything.
You just they collect beauty for free. And I pity those children because Ogbalek Benan Lewani Ban. Ogbalek Benan Lewani Ban. Money here wa VMO.
Where do you care? Where don't you need Nora Kwala? Because I see no reason why you will be screaming like a mad woman in the presence of these young kids.
You don't want to follow the talk. If I'm not mistaken, more than 2 years. We will be woman with a talk.
Beyonce Smith, not me go tell them now. Now I'm me at it they look.
Because of German
Princess the Dreamer, good morning.
You are not even know. I'm highly disappointed. That problem where you don't get that one. Apart from that one, enogie is 80% right. Mama is right. Mama Nora, I enogie is right 80%. The Mama Nora is wrong 120%. Let's call the spade a spade. You understand it now? I know the verse. Which kind of nonsense beyond this? Linda
Osas, are you mad? They never break. What do they worry you? But get out of here! They vibe what we they make back on. Nonsense. Come on, get out.
Take the person word. Nobody.
You know what I'm saying? In the kitchen, I
Nobody.
Good morning, Miss Love.
They talk to them, you know 1 year. This one no 1 year, the other one no 1 year.
Princess the Dreamer. I say I hear this one like this shame.
If you want to talk, use your mouth talk. Or
you won't even betray. You won't betray. No, they won't try. No, get to everybody enemy. You want when you first talk in the afternoon, say in level way in day, say they can't tell you what that they talk about and there. Even if your husband tell you something, say this is your character. My friends when they see and they don't like him, they just they pretend though. Must you come and tell them? You go come like say no, they carry their matter, they can't gist with you. You won't betray that boy for to his friends. In the night again, na a pa. Na a pa inside that make no gain with that here. You know they get control for your mouth. I pity people when they confide on you. Tomorrow na so you go disgrace them out. Woman no just get reserved at all.
Which kind of nonsense is all this one?
Back come. May come settle now. You they say, I'm like you I'm like you Muda uya come and say, we no get right to tell what he go do. If a back congratulate Sarah T-Boss or he send them message. If not be the way Sarah tell react that the way why they tell her say calm down. If they tell me say if I not stay away from the matter, I'm going to insult my enemy. If not, I will send her money. €100 not go buy me because I weigh your more.
You don't get it.
Now you even push and not get to go the saga that girl. Now you see because they say don't get the vest for a pack. That's like the half of a nugget that I know. He will not even saga Sarah. You don't already forgive her. You don't forgive her. You push her to go the saga and finish now. You want to use and talk to a pie enemy. Woman, you be mother. You talk too much, Mama Nora. You talk too much.
Then they ask me when I know, can I say, are they walk?
Jennifer's words. I say,
when I say go Nanja.
You won't just frustrate that boy life finish.
Nevertheless, look what I will feel.
I don't even know the kind of people where you do will be your friends when you make us from when they talk together. Everyone tickets in a marriage way. When I want a second one was see him. When I not fit think whether I go fit. Now I no get blame oh.
I don't want.
No get me what blame because he that wears the shoes know where it pains.
God forbid bad thing.
He that wears the shoes know where it hurts. You deal with woman for us, you know their character, you know her character. You still carry say you won't go marry. People begin to invest.
The level where they operate with enogie, there is no way you can go forward.
At all.
Two county cannot be in a ship.
At all. At all.
Eh?
A document, what's the even if the German give you document, your document never strong. It's not until you use and work at least for 2 years, you don't even give person somebody paper. Me my how you work whatever in imagine what the real paper to the Germany.
Understand? That cartoon meaning you want like you off the television, go and sleep.
Every little thing you keep bullying with documents. Now documents is the final. A document is here, man.
At that moment. It's not correct. Another person no get for wrong. But the remaining 99% of the other one no.
People know say they still settle now. Una still manage push to do the marriage. I you win any marriage in there. You say 1 week. Why you be now? What is the need? At all, no love at all. Marry you precious, no love.
She want the dream to come true. The
boy go move on. Which kind of nonsense be this one? This is not good again. It's not friendly to the eyes again.
They are disgracing people around them, putting everybody in a very tight corner. Just they put everybody in a tight corner. Imagine, Mama don't know the year person word. You go oh where's and you know Gwegwa. Oh you only say Gwegwa.
Every time I read
you know they need to submit. Ogonoma submit is very, very bad. You don't let it boy. You know they feel they tolerate. You cannot tolerate now when you want to take it tolerate. Woman go offend man, you know feel woman say I'm sorry. You know, who they cry the zero, who they cry the zero. You go offend man, no fit tell the man say you are sorry. Now they no get go they talk sorry. Now the only place I don't say no get for wrong. Now that beat where they beat, I mean no they beat and that one say no they hear. They no get now bunny. You go you never see some guys. In here you walk out with my way. That silent killer, a silent killer, you yourself, you where they talk, you go.
Imagine your presenter don't they insult Lady Precious. But what did them see when they insult their head? Who any presenter will throw much come for me? Yeah, I'm with generation okay. Because when I yes I dare ask with them, I don't know I mean oh yeah go. I mean they sleep with them. They will sleep with them. I mean they tell her how to open leg, no get put Igbola.
I fear for them. I don't already.
Which can be not be the match when I get out there talk to them. Now no waiting with the talk for instance. Even yesterday, when this matter happened, when my TV call me. Now so I call you no get beg. I no get beg, not inside live video. Let only she just the talk for the TikTok where they say she did. So that later we feel say na prank. Because we don't do with the joint like that before they go quarrel. Later they'll say na prank. I say I beg. Not be mad when I get I go take talk. Anybody where so much come meet me, oh, if you know me be a bomb and you wait for me. Because it's a you no ramo, or no motor, or I will wait the time you come. Mama know where they advise women. Where they advise women, I mean, one can go talk to. You go say, you good now. You don't see who marry you. But if this is how marriage look like, God forbid. I make my master not feel for I don't wish to have your kind of marriage, my dear. What is this? What is this nonsense? Rosie Lucas, my number for waiting now. All this is why they see your comments for all different saga. You don't call me one day, I beg. I don't get number. Beg. Since then, I don't want to. They see all your comments. They see how you take they go where they insult my enemy, and they see your comments. But because of the time when I say love you, now make me never ever answer you. So no, I don't need to give you my number, my dear. Just do your own, I do now. Oh, wow, my dear. That's why a truth teller has no friends. So me, I know the look face. I say it the way it is. My sincere advice to Enogie right now. Enogie, you need a break for your mental health and for the love of your mother. Thank God say your mother not the social media. And I don't believe that your sister or your sister's husband, which is your in-law, will see what is going on social media and go and tell your mother. Because you are going, that woman is age. So that you don't go and cause another trauma on that woman there. Because you know your mother loves you so much. Your mother's life depends on you. And you depend on your mom as well. So, for your own mental health and for the love that you have for your mom, give this woman a chance. Maybe she won't try that single mother. Give her just 3 months. Now, me, Precious, make they tell you, come off for house. Find where you go. If not to go rent one room somewhere, not let the money pay you. Find one place, go give this woman a chance because it don't too much. Me, you not go use pepper body heat and one day go fall for grand. They'll say you don't buy person or you don't commit what you know sabi. Leave that home, give that woman a chance. I'm telling you, I don't need to come and tell you behind the doors. Me not Precious Meg. It's either you like me or you not like me.